Hey there, pet lovers. Today on Product Critique, we're diving into one of the best solutions for your furry friends, the Ying Tutu Extra Large Cat Litter Box. Whether you have a senior cat, a big cat, or even multiple cats, this litter box promises comfort, accessibility, and ease of maintenance. Let's start with the basics. This litter box is made from durable ABS material, ensuring longevity and resistance to scratches and odors. It measures a spacious 24 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and stands 5.7 inches tall, providing ample room even for larger cats. What sets the Ying Tutu apart is its low-entry design, perfect for senior cats or those with mobility issues. It's also great for kittens undergoing litter training, making it versatile for all stages of your pet's life. Cleaning this litter box is a breeze. The smooth, frosted finish on the outside gives it a sleek look, while the inside surface ensures quick and hassle-free maintenance. Simply scoop, wipe, and your litter box is as good as new. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a reliable, spacious, and easy-to-clean litter box for your feline companions, the Ying Tutu Extra Large Cat Litter Box is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more pet product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and paws purring.